In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Windows 11. If you want to make your Windows 11 interface easier on the eyes, especially at night or in low-light environments, turning on dark mode is a great option. It changes the appearance of many system menus, settings pages, and supported apps so the overall look feels darker, cleaner, and often more comfortable to use. The good news is that Windows 11 makes this very simple, and it only takes a moment to set up. To begin, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer by pressing the Windows key and the I key on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut is one of the fastest ways to get directly into your system settings without needing to search through the Start menu. Once Settings opens, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Personalization. This section controls how Windows looks and feels, including themes, colors, backgrounds, and other appearance-related options. After that, tap on Colors. If you don't immediately see the exact option you expect, stay within the personalization area and look for either the Choose Your Mode setting or anything related to personalizing the appearance of your desktop. In most Windows 11 versions, Colors is the section you'll want to open to make this change. Inside the color settings, find the drop-down menu for choosing your mode. This is the setting that controls whether Windows uses light mode, dark mode, or sometimes a custom appearance. Click the drop-down and select Dark. As soon as you choose Dark, Windows 11 should apply the change right away. You'll notice the settings window itself becomes darker, and other supported system elements will also switch to the new look automatically. This instant preview makes it easy to confirm that the setting has been applied correctly. Once you see the darker interface, you can close Settings. At that point, your Windows 11 device is now using dark mode. If the change doesn't appear everywhere immediately, keep in mind that some third-party apps may have their own separate theme settings. But for Windows itself, the dark appearance should now be active. That's all there is to it. Dark mode is quick to enable, and it can make your desktop look more modern while also reducing visual strain for some users. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to enable dark mode on Windows 11.